MirroFlex wall panels are deeply textured decorative panels that come in a huge variety of textures and colors.
MirroFlex itself is a unique product. It lends itself to basically high-end applications because of the designs that it has and the way it looks. But it can also be scaled to budget because of the unique way we make this product. It's an affordable product.
The colors in MirroFlex are applied mainly through decorative foils, and those are done in our laminating room, where we also can add scratch-resistant coatings as well as removable maskings. Once those panels have been made as flat sheets, we take them to a vacuum forming area where they are drawn over a mold or a die or a tool to create the multiple textures that we have to offer.
And from there, after they form and they cool, we'll cut them down to size, whether it's 18 by 24 backsplashes, 2 by 2 ceiling tiles, 2 by 4 ceiling tiles, 4 by 8 wall panels, 4 by 10s. We even do wainscots.
Our MirroFlex product can also be digitally printed with custom imagery to include things like logos and wayfinding. MirroFlex allows for designers to choose from over 60 different patterns in almost 50 colors, and that makes for close to 3,000 combination possibilities.
So you have the MirroFlex product with deeply textured, smaller format designs like our Strike and our Kalahari and our Savannah, and different patterns that people now know us for years. And now we have expanded that into these much larger, and I say larger format, like the pattern will expand over a 2 foot by 2 foot span instead of maybe just a couple of inches.
MirroFlex Max is made using a material that's 1.5 times as thick. So ATI has really pushed the boundaries of how big and bold our textures can go. Under the MirroFlex umbrella, ATI also offers decorative acoustic products. Those include ceiling tiles and movable acoustic partitions. ATI's MirroFlex ceiling tiles are available both for lay-in and glue-up applications. So if you don't have a ceiling grid, we're still able to offer you a decorative ceiling product.